Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. Before we get into this beautiful video right here, I wanted to say a quick reminder to jump over to my community post and get any of your questions in that you have for the Q&A I'm about to be filming. That'll probably be the next video that I have up after this one, if not the one after that. So head on over there and ask me any house questions, dumpster diving questions, personal questions, anything you may be asking. I'll try to answer all of them in an upcoming video. If you are unable to find the post about the questions, you can leave it in a comment down here. I'll hopefully find it. But try to get to the community post. Ask me any question you've ever been wondering, and I will try to answer it in my next video. But as for today, it is currently Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving at about 9:15 p.m. I've just been working and busy all day. So now I'm back home, and I'm going to cook up the turkey that I found in the Aldi dumpster a week or two ago. I have it just prepped with some oil, salt, and pepper right now. And it is in a pan that I've already used to cook a turkey. That's why there's some coagulated juices down at the bottom, but that's okay. And it looks great. It's pink. It was bloody. You know, it wasn't gray or anything. It looks great. Like I said, it was frozen when I found it, so that's why I felt fine taking it. There's no smell to it. I think it looks great. This is just going to be for me, maybe my family, but mostly for me. I'm going to my sister's for Thanksgiving tomorrow. She lives like 20 minutes away from me, so it's not like I'm going anywhere crazy. Just with her and my parents. But in the morning, my parents and I are going to be delivering 6 Thanksgiving meals. We found 6 families that were unable to, I don't want to say provide, but they were unable to do the traditional Thanksgiving this year because of their financial circumstances. So we found 6 families in need, and we are delivering a whole Thanksgiving meal to them with the turkey and the stuffing, beans, potatoes, all that good stuff. So we'll be doing that in the morning. I've already cooked up 2 turkeys, so this is going to be my 3rd one, and my mom's doing the other 4 turkeys. And then I'm doing the green beans, and she's doing everything else. So shout out to her. But we'll be delivering those in the morning. But I'm going to cook this up. I'm just going to put it in the oven for, it's at 325. I think I'm going to put it in for 3 hours, and then we'll go from there. But I also wanted to show you a few other things I found. I just got back from the Aldi dumpster. My sister asked me to bring salad tomorrow, so I found some artisan lettuce heads. Obviously, I will wash those up, and I found 3 regular lettuce heads that I will wash up as well. I have a 2-pack of baby wipes that are brand new, so that's a really good find, just used for cleaning. And then 4, is it just 4, maybe 5? 5 avocados that are super nice. They're firm, almost ready to eat. There was one in the pack that was really mushy, but these are great, and that's not something that I find often. Whenever I find avocados, they're always super squishy. So that's that for now. I just wanted to update you a little bit on my turkey situation. He's going in the oven right now, and I will be back, and I will keep you guys updated on how my day goes. Here's what we got going for the salad. I have it nice and washed. A whole bunch of mixed greens up in here and some purples. And I also bought some garbanzo beans, some olives, mozzarella cheese, hard-boiled eggs. I have some bacon that I'm going to cook up, which is actually from the dumpster a long time ago, but I've had it in the freezer. And what else? I got like little jalapeno crispy things, tomatoes. I think that might be it. I can't remember. Some dressing. And that's going to be our salad for Thanksgiving tomorrow. Alright, so I forgot to film the turkey last night when it came out of the oven. Well, I guess it wasn't last night. It was like a few hours ago. But it's now 6:40 Thanksgiving morning. And I'm getting ready to load all my other stuff up to go to my parents to start delivering. But this is the turkey. Looks pretty good. It does look a little pink in the video, but it's not that pink in real life, and I already tested the temperature and everything when it came out of the oven. So nice and crispy, looking delicious, and I'm sure it will be tasty. We are going to finish out this video with a tiny but super fun dumpster dive haul. I'm sure you can see the main thing here, so we'll do that one last. I found this all today again, day after Thanksgiving. I guess we'll call this my Black Friday shopping since I didn't do any shopping, like I'm sure a lot of people didn't this year. But I found all this fun stuff. I did mention, oh, one other thing that I'll show you too. I did mention last week that I was hoping to do like a ride-along, dumpster dive ride-along last week on my birthday, and I tried, but I found literally two things. Oh, I don't want you guys to see all of my Christmas decorations yet, so you're going to look at the floor. This is all I found, and they are cute, but I found this Be Happy and Be Kind. They're mugs that the handle broke off of, but everything else is fine, and they fit some of my little plants just perfectly. So that's all I found last time, so there was no point in doing a live dive or like a ride along. It would have been me opening up empty dumpsters for 20 minutes. So that's that. But here's the rest of the haul. I have 5 cans of Coke. This one is emptied, but that's okay because I am going to return the cans anyways for 10 cents each, so that is 50 cents right there. This is kind of fun. It's a scented candle kit. It just looks like one of the bags of wax broke open and spilled, but it does still have the jars and hopefully the wicks. And yeah, I think that would be fun for anybody to do. Right here, there's nothing wrong with this. There's no broken glass in the frame or the mirror on the side, and it's just a clock, a mirrored wall clock. It's not necessarily my style, but it is super cute, and somebody would definitely enjoy that. And then I have a full case of water, and this I have no idea why it was thrown out. I guess because there's a hole in it, like the packaging, but that's absolutely wasteful. I hate when water gets thrown out because it is water, which is necessary for human life, trapped in these plastic bottles, and it's going to be stuck there forever and ever. Unless I save it from the dumpster and then I water my plants with it. So that's what I'm probably going to do with that. And then the last bit of the haul, which is so fun, and I was actually just thinking about a train. I was like, how cute would it be to have a little train going around a Christmas tree for the holidays? And this is a Disney one. I'm trying to find a price on here. I'm sure it wasn't cheap. I'm not seeing anything. If anybody knows the retail price on this thing, let me know in the comments. But it appears to all be here. The box was a little bit wet. It is there a name to it? Mickey Mouse Holiday Express 36-piece train set, collector's edition. You know, it just has the little 4 train cars, some characters. It has 30 feet, 20 feet of tracks, Mickey, Minnie, and other characters, and it's huge. My 3-year-old cousin is coming over tomorrow, so I considered maybe I'd give it to him, but I don't know. I think I might keep it. It's just super cute, and for the holidays, you know, why not? I'm not a huge Disney person, but it's just Christmas, so it's still cute. But that is it, guys. Like I said, don't forget to go ask me any questions for my upcoming Q&A. And actually, oh, here's one more thing. This is another mug that the handle broke off of, as you can see. But it's just like a evergreenish color, and it says Christmas at the Camper. How cute is that? So I just put another plant in there as well. So you get a sneak peek of my Christmas decorations. Anyways, okay, so don't forget to go ask me a question. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. Thank you guys, as always, so much for watching. I know this video was a little bit all over the place, but I hope you had a great holiday if you celebrate Thanksgiving, and I will be back soon with more dumpster diving related videos. Thank you.